going to be going over a Frayer model. Have you ever done a Frayer model before? No? So we're going to use this model. It has all these squares, 4 or 5 squares, and we're going to be using it to discover new words. So first, we're going to go ahead and review this passage that from our book, The Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party. I have this specific page from the book that has our word. So together, we're going to go ahead and read this, okay? So, follow along with me. Grumpy Toad said, pepperoni, pretzels, and pistachios would be just fine. But I really love pickles on mine. And let's go over here. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pickles? Well, that's something new. But maybe... Oh, let's follow along. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pickles? Well, that's something new. But maybe pickles could be groovy too. And that's our word we're going to be looking at. Groovy. Now going based on this picture here, what do you think groovy means?
Pickles?
You think groovy means pickles? Well, let's look back at. Well, first let's go ahead and write our word. Do you want to write our word? See where groovy is? You see where groovy is?
That one?
No. Well, no, that's Pete the cat. We're looking at our word groovy. Right here. So, would you like to pick out a crayon?
Yeah.
And write down groovy?
Yeah.
Here, I'll go ahead and take that. We're about to look at that again.
This is my first time using that one. Green.
Alright, so here's the word right there.
I don't like that.
Yep, groovy. Write that right here.
Right there.
R. And then Y. Good job. And what's our word?
Ruby.
Groovy. Alright. Now, let's look back at the passage, these 2 pages, and see if we can figure out groovy. So, what did we read over here about Grumpy Toad? What did he have to say?
Pickles.
Yeah. He likes pickles. On what?
Pizza.
On pizza. And when the gang first heard about it, what did they say?
I have a brownie too.
They said pickles.
Pickles.
They're surprised, huh? But then at the bottom here, they said, well, that's something new. But then what did we say right after? But maybe pickles could be groovy too. So what do you think that means based on the page? So Grumpy Toad wanted pickles, and they first were like, pickles! And then they said, but maybe, you know. So, yeah. So what do you think Pete and the gang thinks about pickles on being on pizza?
Fine.
They think it's fine? Yeah? So if I were to say pickles on pizza could be groovy too, you think I would think they're fine?
Yeah.
Think they could be more than fine?
Yeah.
No? So
Nasty.
nasty?
Mhm.
Oh, they're thinking pickles could be groovy too.
Good.
They're thinking because they already have pepperonis, they already have cheese, they have pistachios, and they have pretzels. And they're saying pickles could be groovy too. So what do you think about groovy? What groovy could mean?
You broke it.
Oh, that's fine. Here, I got another green. Here. So what do you think groovy could mean? Groovy could be fine, but
Time again.
what was that?
Time again.
It could be kind again.
Time again.
Oh, it could be kind of good. Yeah, think so.
Mhm.
All right, so let's go ahead and go back. So for our definition, we're going to say groovy is good, could be kind of good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, and then do you want to draw an example?
Yeah.
There. All right, there's our sentence we built together. And do you want to use a different crayon?
Yeah.
All right, here, I'll let you. So you gotta think. We're gonna draw a picture that could, a picture that shows it's good. It could be kind of good. This is pink. You're looking for pink.
I don't like pink.
Alright, found it?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so that's where we're going to draw our example of what groovy is. An example of could be kind of good. So let's look back at this. So if they think pickles on pizza could be groovy, what do you think you could draw?
A groovy pizza?
A groovy pizza? Alright. So here you go.
Right here?
Right there.
What?
Pepperoni.
Like a front door?
Mm-hmm.
More front door? That's my pizza. Wait.
That's your pizza? That's your groovy pizza? Do you need any more colors?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you need?
Brown.
Brown? I got you. Right.
One right there.
Oh, okay. Thank you for looking out.
Okay.
A groovy pizza. Is there anything we could be missing? What did Pete in the game thought could be groovy
That
too?
noodles?
No, it's cheese.
Oh.
That's sorry.
Oh, I need cheese.
There you go. That's your groovy pizza. Well, let's see. Pete in the game did say pickles, but did they thought pickles were groovy too?
I think so.
So do you think we should add pickles to pizza?
Yeah.
For groovy?
That will be for pizza.
So I guess you could draw some pickles.
I'm gonna pick one down a big one.
Alright, look at that. Alright, so now that we have a definition, could be kind of good, and we have an example of what of a groovy pizza. What do you think is not groovy? What do you think could be the opposite, or could be not kind of good?
A pizza.
A pizza with
Poop and
that's
hands like peanuts.
and peanuts. You don't like peanuts?
No.
Well, here we can draw a pizza
Strawberry.
with strawberries and peanuts.
The nuts.
Here you go. So let's draw a not groovy pizza. Alright, here's your. You need some for strawberries. So here's pink, green. You need some for peanuts.
Brown. Oh,
There you
yeah,
go.
brown.
No, you get a darker brown.
Yep.
Oh, wait, is that the same brown? Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'll look for some. That looks good. I like it.
Peanut.
Right there.
Peanut. That's a peanut.
And that's your not.
Peanut.
And that's your not groovy pizza.
I can make peanut.
Mm-hmm.
And turn that.
Alright, so now we know that groovy can mean could be kind of good,
Oh,
and we
bad.
have not groovy, or we have a groovy pizza, which has pickles, pepperonis, pretzels, and a not groovy pizza with strawberries and peanuts.
I like it pizza.
You like that pizza? You think that pizza could be groovy? Yeah. Now let's see if we can make a sentence with the groovy. So let's see. Do you have any ideas in mind for how we can use groovy?
What if you? What is his name?
That's Pete.
The
His name is Pete.
Pete.
Yeah, Pete. P-E-T-E.
Like pickles on his movie pizza.
Pete likes pickles on his groovy pizza? Alright, so. Do you want a crayon or do you want a pencil? Crayon? Alright. I'll pick crayon for this one. So, remember, we're writing Pete.
Oh. Wait, I know. I want.
Okay,
Yellow.
careful. Alright, yeah. Oh, I don't think yellow can show up that great. Hold on. How about orange?
Yeah.
Alright, there you go. Gotta make sure it shows
The
up
only
good.
like that same color.
Yeah, I feel like yellow is a little too bright to see.
Yeah.
Alright, so, what was our sentence gonna be? So, Pete thinks, what?
Pete
Oh, here.
like pickles on his pizza.
Well, we gotta use the word groovy. Because remember,
Oh.
we know that groovy means
thought-
it could be kind of good. And we have a groovy pizza
Pete
with pickles, which means it could be kind of good.
like pickles on his movie pizza.
Orange gravy pizza. So, let's think about that. So, Pete wants pickles on his kind of good pizza. Could be kind of good pizza. I don't think that sounds right. I think we should change it a little bit. So, we want Pete to like a pizza. Pete thinks it could be groovy. So, Pete thinks pickles can make the pizza
Really?
groovy. So let's go ahead and build that sentence. So we want to write the first word Pete, which is, so that's going to be P.
Pete.
Yeah. this one, we're gonna be done. So Pete thinks. So that's gonna be so Pete. That's.
It has to be one of these words. This one's gonna help you a bit.
Well, no, that helps us understand what groovy is, which groovy could be kind of good. So Pete thinks pickles can make the pizza more groovy. So let's see. Pete is P-E.
P-E. P. I know
P-E-T-E.
P-E.
Yeah, like Pete.
Like you look right here.
Mm-hmm.
Just how P-E.
Pete. And thinks. So, what letters make those sounds?
F.
Well,
F.
and then we have, look the way I'm moving my mouth.
T.
But it has that sound, doesn't it? So it's two letters. So T and which is?
P.
Well, we already have Pete. We're going for Pete thinks. So
P. Think. He like pickle and cheese on his pizza.
well, we know that groovy means could be kind of good. So that means we want to use groovy to describe something. So, which we want to say, it could be more, it could be good. So let's say I think pickles can make a pizza better, could be good.
Oh,
So
yeah.
we would use pickles can make the pizza more groovy, can make the pizza, or even just pickles can make the pizza groovy. So Pete thinks. So what was the rest of our sentence? Pete thinks.
He want pickle on pickles and cheese on his pizza.
And that's our sentence using groovy. I didn't hear groovy.
Oh.
Pete thinks.
He want groovy pickles and cheese on his groovy pizza.
On his groovy pizza. Pete thinks. Pete thinks. What was the rest of our sentence?
Pete thinks he want pickles and cheese on his.
Pete thinks he wants pickles.
On his pizza.
Let's say Pete thinks
He thinks
pickles
pickles
and
and
cheese.
cheese
You can write in?
and
Yeah, like A and B.
and what?
In.
And
And.
M
No, not M as in mom. In as in nachos.
and
In.
this
Yeah, but we want to use the lower. We want to use the smaller one. We only use the big word whenever we're now I want to switch to pencil in case we move on to this. I should have foresaw that. That's fine. Oh, wow, this actually gets rid of it. Very easy. We're gonna continue with pencil because this crayon's gonna use up all of our box. So there we go. There we go. And so Pete thinks pickles and what?
cheese.
Cheese. Do you know that first sound in cheese?
Oh.
Hmm?
Oh.
No, R makes like rocket.
Rocket.
So ch is. Let's see, what other words have
Pe-
like ch? Church. Chicken.
Chicken wing.
Mm-hmm. So that's C and H makes that ch sound. So Pete thinks thinks pickles and
cheese.
cheese. So we want to write CH next.
Cheese.
C H.
H. See, I know the part taken with the H, but T?
No, there's no T in cheese. There's C.
T.
So let's write that down.
Wait. Pickles?
Right, yeah. C, yep.
H.
H. And what's that? E.
T.
E. Chin cheese. What's that sound?
E.
E. And we have two of them. Because we say E for we say E a lot in cheese, don't we? Cheese.
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 Chicken.
So we want two E's. So can you write two E's after CH?
Two.
Don't we have an E right here? But that's a big E, right?
Little.
So a little E is like only half of that, right? Like let's look at pepperoni.
Bullet.
Let's look at it. See that?
P.
P and an E. That's E right there, right? So we want two of those.
Two P's.
No, E. We're saying cheese, right? P E.
P.
So that's the E one. That's the lowercase e. Yep, we want two of those. So one more. Then we want S.
Are we almost done?
Well, we're halfway there. We only look how much we wrote. We only wrote and cheese.
And this.
We haven't even wrote groovy yet. So cheese.
Oh, hey, Ruby pizza.
Pete thinks pickles and cheese. Well, we only have cheese.
Cheese.
We're trying to say cheese. What letter is that?
Cheese.
And let's make it sound in cheese. So what letter is making it sound? Makes
T.
no, not T. T makes T. We have S. S makes sound like snakes,
S.
right? And then we want to end off with E. So
E.
Pete thinks pickles and cheese. And we're starting to run out of space here. So
These are bottom.
yep. So let's think what do we want to finish off with. So Pete thinks pickles and cheese
They're on a Ruby pizza.
could be on this groovy pizza. Is that a right sentence?
Yeah. No.
Pete thinks pickles and cheese could be on his groovy pizza.
Good.
Because we know that groovy means could be kind of good. So we want groovy to describe the pizza, but not describing it beforehand. Otherwise, that wouldn't make sense for here. Because here they say maybe pickles could be groovy too.
Ruby too.
They're describing it as like it's more. So
And then puzzle.
Pete thinks pickles and cheese can
P. Good.
Hmm?
Can be this.
Are we using groovy though?
Yeah.
So remember, we said good. You said it could be good. So, and we know that groovy could be kind of good. So would we change out good with groovy? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how about this? So Pete thinks pickles and cheese can be groovy too. Like that? So we have Pete thinks pickles and cheese can B.
Groovy or
Can be groovy too. So you just need to write B. So
that?
well, sorry, I meant the word B. So that's B E. B E. We did write B, or we did write E earlier, right? And cheese
Yeah.
and P.
Yeah.
So we just need an E there.
B.
Well, it's right here. We wrote it earlier.
E.
Like E. Because we're trying to write B. And then we want to write groovy.
Oh.
That's fine. There you go.
Whoa. You
Right.
will do that?
Yep.
We did.
And so Pete thinks pickles and cheese can be
10.
groovy.
Groovy.
Groovy. Well, we need to write groovy. We have groovy here, right?
Groovy. Oh.
So we just need to write groovy. Can you write groovy right here?
We did?
Yes.
Did that?
Yes.
Then we be done?
Well, Pete thinks pickles and cheese can be groovy. Two.
G. Oh. Oh. Me. Hey. Groovy.
Can be groovy.
2.
Two.
Like a letter, like the number 2?
No. With two starts with T and O.
That takes
So
away
T and O. But we need 2 O's
2 O to
for
O.
this version of 2. So T and 2 O's. We already know T, right?
Yeah.
So you need to write T here.
T. The letter?
No, that's it. It's right here. What is it?
The apple?
Yes.
The apple?
One right in the middle. Yep.
2?
Just one. We're doing 2 O's right after that.
Can I write right here?
Nope, we gotta continue on. We're writing left to right.
Yeah.
And then, let's just, we're trying to put 2.
Oh.
And we're saying it for a bit longer, aren't we? So we have to put one more O. Groovy 2. There we go. And what do we always end off our sentences with?
Period.
Periods. Make sure to put down period.
I'm halfway done.
Well, actually, we are done.
I'm gonna wait till my mom get back.
Alright. I know. Did you enjoy today's lesson?
Uh-huh.
You like drawing?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think you know what groovy means?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I do.
What does groovy mean?
It will be good on your pizza?
It'd be good on your pizza?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Or fine.
It could be good. It could be good. It could be fine. It could be good on your pizza. What do you think groovy is? What do you think groovy is not?
It's not good.
What's not groovy?
Peanuts.
Peanuts and strawberries.
And peanuts.
And what does that make you? Alright. Well, how's
Not
that